electronic circuits or make electronic circuits in the Fab Lab. And I think Professor Gershenfeld was there and helped him. And then he went away for a few weeks, sort of all by himself, and he came back, and in a few weeks he had figured out how to build, in essence, a robotic car. And that was amazing. We didn't really help him at all. He did that by himself. And up there, that's Shapiso. She's from a township in South Africa. And she came to the Fab Lab and learned all the tools and processes, and it inspired her to become a teacher. So she teaches, and she now works for the CSIR in South Africa. And in the middle here, this is one of our newer students. This is Dmitry from Moscow. And Dmitry has been using the Fab Lab for the last year as a platform to build and to learn. And he just won second place or third place. Dmitry, are you out there? Second or third place in the national robotics competitions. So, yay. Fourth place. Okay, well, fourth place. I don't want to inflate things. All right. First place? Awesome. Dmitry, that is really awesome. So congratulations, Dmitry. At any rate, these frustrated learners all over the world encouraged us to leverage this new distributed network and build a global campus, in essence, the Fab Academy. So what we did is we offered a version of what Professor Gershenfeld did at MIT, the How to Make Almost Anything class, for a global network. So it's not distance learning. This is a distributed campus, and each student does the same thing. They learn in their local groups, and they work together, but they're connected by video conference and internet tools to the professors and to a global network of expertise. And every year, the students come up with these amazing projects, whether they're artistic and whimsical, very practical, or very personal, in essence. Now, the kind of rapid growth that we've experienced, and all these sorts of new organizations that we're having to build to support this growing network, we decided that we ought to spin off a foundation to support the global network. And we really got it wrong. We did this in 2009. We did it centrally. We said, okay, we are the foundation and we're going to help you. And this network is very democratic, very anti-authoritarian, and very creative. And they said, no, we're not interested. And so we were like, okay. And then to add sort of fuel to that, failure or to the fire, there was nobody really out there that was interested in funding the commons, the sort of infrastructure that we were hoping to build for this network. But we went into hiatus. We kind of waited for a couple of years and watched and sort of figured out that really what we needed was to help grow networks around the world. So in South America, there's like a network of 18 Fab Labs coming into being. Here in Japan, there's another network of 6 or 8, and soon to be many more Fab Labs coming into being. And they need support. They need glue. And so we've reinvigorated the foundation to be a foundation for foundations to help support the growth of networks. So this is the work, our mission is, of course, it's to democratize access to the tools and the knowledge to invent and and for education, advanced technical education, using digital fabrication and technology as our platform. And added to that, what we hope to do is improve the lives and livelihoods of people all over the world through the use of these technologies. And so you'll see here from Afghanistan, Barcelona, India, and